Welcome, friends. I'm Reverend Kira, and it is my delight to welcome you and invite you to come and celebrate this season in powerful ways that bring ritual to life in your own life. So if you understand the power and the potency of living from ceremony and ritual, and we all understand this already because we understand it from the story of Christmas, from our traditions that we bring to play. But then when we bring the sacredness of life together, we are at a potent moment where we are bringing forth the true potential that is within us and within the connection that keeps us connected to the divine. And I want to invite each and every one of you to come and participate in the rituals with us that happen through this season. So this week, as we complete Christmas, we are filled with love and our hearts are open. And we're coming into the time of the completion of this year of 2019. And we also are coming into the completion of a decade of 2020. And this is a very important moment for us to release everything from the past and then turn around and us to claim our true oneness with all of life, our ability to rise into the true spiritual power and essence, to unify and harmonize and align our divine self, our emotional, mental, physical, and spiritual being in such a way that we set ourselves up for success in every level in 2020. I invite you to come home to Unity. Many people have found that the minute they arrive, they feel at home in Unity. They find that there is a great power of acceptance and they no longer feel separate and alone, but can find a tribe, a community that celebrates their spirit, their true essence, in whatever way is aligned for them. But as we come together in these moments of celebration, in these moments of sacred ceremony, we are touched at the deeper core of our being. We begin to remember even greater awareness of why we are here, how to live on purpose with intention and a conscious awareness. We celebrate with a burning bowl ceremony this coming Sunday, the 29th. And we would love to have you come and your family come and participate. We bring the kids into the ceremony. We invite everyone to then participate in writing out those things that they're ready to release. Any place where we've held unforgiveness or resentment or anger, or we've carried self-doubt or fear, in any way, anything that you want to let go of, any pattern of lack or limitation can be set free through this burning bowl ceremony. We write all those things and we ask for them to be taken by the divine, by the essence of the truth of all that is, and we burn them and see them just go up in smoke. And in that moment, we find ourselves set free to be our true spirit and to live in a higher acknowledgement. And as we claim that which we desire in 2020 and beyond, we begin to recognize the power of our being, the power that is already alive inside of us. And we bring it forth then with ease and grace without the obstacles and the blocks that we've carried in past. We let go of patterns that we've had in our families and in our ancestry, and we find that we step unencumbered into the new. I invite you, as you celebrate this season with us, and as you celebrate it in your own life, that you honor that which has been, but you let it go, and you say yes to the new. We have affirmed throughout the holiday season, we've affirmed that there's something magnificent happening here. And on Christmas Eve, we affirmed, I am something magnificent happening here. Affirm that with me now. I am something magnificent happening here. What that is will be a part of what gets claimed as we let go and allow the release to set us free and move forward in joy and honor and celebration of the truth of our being. I hope you'll join us this Sunday at 10:30 a.m. at our physical location at 1911 Highway 3 South. We'd love to come and share hugs with you or shake hands and celebrate you in whatever way works for you. or come and join us on the Facebook live stream on the Unity Bay Area Houston page at 10:30 a.m. on Sunday. Wherever you are, whatever you're doing in this world, may the conscious intention of your highest self bring you to the connection, the divine light and truth of who you are as a magnificent being of light. God bless you, friends. I look forward to seeing you in whatever way, whenever. Love you. God bless.